Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders YouTube channel. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI tutorials and videos. So today I'm going to do the beginner tutorial number 7, which is we try to write or achieve select from where using the calculate table DAX function. Usually select from where that we use in SQL, like in this. So usually we write a typical statement in SQL, select all from table 1 where month equals January. So let's see how we can achieve this in Power BI. Let's go to the tutorial. Right, here is my Power BI dashboard and I have data source which is contains some marks, month, name and subject. Those are the columns that we have. So we'll see first in a default way how we can achieve by using the filters in Power BI. So for that I use a table and I add the columns that I want: name, subject, month and some marks. So all the columns are added. So now our data source is like this. Now if you want to take only the marks from month January, so it is very simple. You can go here, right, in filter you can add month as January. So if you select, if you give the filter like this, right, it shows only the marks from January. So as you can see here in this table. Right now without using filters, we will try to achieve this by using the calculate table function. So for that I go to the data table, create new table. Right here I write, so I write January data table. Right, I use the calculate total function, calculate table function. So it mentioned evaluate a table expression in a context modified by a filter. So that is something that we are going to try now. Right, so then as a field we have to give the table name, that means sheet 1. Then I have to add here in the calculate table function, it's a function like this, table. Then I have to give the filters in the sense, so we have to give sheet month equals January. Right, now we enter and see our data source. Right, so once we write this statement, so as you can see now only the data from month January is displaying now as our new January data table, temporary table. So here also now that we can see that table. Now if we add this to the dashboard, so we use table view, so same columns that we add. So as you can see, the same output that we can take, the same as we give filters as a default way, so that we have given filters, so same way that we can achieve it by using the calculate table function. So this is how we achieve select from where SQL statement using Power BI. And thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos and tutorial. And thank you very much.